Crochet Dragon Boat Festival Sachet Tutorial. Wish for yearly peace. Yarn. Round 1. Base ring. Magic ring. CH1 does not count as a stitch. Work 12 SC into the ring. For beginners, mark the first and last stitches with stitch markers. Tighten the ring. SL Street to join to the first SC. Note, SL Street does not count as a stitch. Cut yarn and weave the tail to the back. Round 2. Puff stitch pattern. With new yarn, join to any street. CH3. In the same street, work a 4 HDC cluster. Puff stitch. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on hook. Repeat 3 more times. 7 loops total. Yarn over and pull through all loops. CH1. Repeat 11 times. Total 12 clusters. SL Street to join to the top of the first cluster. Cut yarn. Round 3. Increase round. With new yarn, join to any stitch. CH1. Work 1 SC in the same street. In the next CH1 SP, work 2 SC. Repeat 1 SC, 2 SC, 11 times, total 36 SC. SL Street to join to the first SC. Round 4. Extended stitch and shells. With new yarn, join to any street. CH1, work 1 ESC, extended SC. Insert hook, pull up a loop. Yo, pull through 1 loop. Yo, pull through 2 loops. Work 1 HDC around the post of the ESC stitch. CH1, SK1. Repeat ESC, HDC, C1, SK1. 17 times. SL Street to join to the first ESC. See you next time.